Welcome to Emmaus North Staffs, new owner of Furniture Mine in Hanley, open 6 days a week to the general public. Based in Stoke-on-Trent, Emmaus Furniture Mine is the largest furniture and household charity shop in North Staffordshire. We stock items such as beds, sofas, tables, chairs and more. Your donations are essential to our work. As well as furniture, we display items such as clothes, pottery and small electricals. Also vinyl, DVDs, CDs, books, kitchen appliances and even paint. Our recycling business has 2 floors to explore, having collected and renovated furniture before resale. Purchases can be made at the store and we can deliver larger items to your front door or office space. So please donate your unwanted furniture, clothes, bric-a-brac and more to support our local charity. And why not visit us here at Emmaus North Staffs to look through our showroom in Hanley.